Can you tell us a little bit what your name is and who you are and where you're from?
My name is Burrell Thorne. I'm from Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I'm fully retired now. I retired after I got the boat built.
Can you tell me what inspired you to go ahead and find some place like Glen-L to get plans and to build a boat this size?
Yeah, my buddy Horace Haynes built a double eagle several years ago, and it was such a neat boat. I finally asked him if I could build one just like his, and he had the Glen-L design, so I ordered my plans from Glen-L.
Is this Horace next to us here?
Yes,
Let's get a picture of Horace. Horace, you built a double eagle once before yourself?
About 20 years ago, 1990 when I started on it. Took 5 years to finish it, and it was 26 feet long, stretched it about 10%.
Okay, so you guys came to this gathering together then.
Right.
Can you tell us what kind of a shop that you have and what kind of skills that you need to build a boat this size? Most people that I've bumped into building Glen-L boats are building a little bit smaller boats because they're confined for space requirements.
I have a shop area that is 36 by 20, and it's a farm shop, had tools in it. To build it, it just takes lots of determination, though. But
Patience. Patience.
And patience. I have no woodworking skills at all. This is my first woodworking project, and especially a boat building project. When I decided to do it, I had to go buy the table saw and the band saw and the hand tools and everything. So, you know, I figure if I can do it, anybody can do it.
You know, as we travel around to these marinas, everybody's always intrigued of the names on the boats. And I see on the name of your boat, it's called Lily May. Can you tell us a little bit about the name on the boat?
Lily May is really me all the way from childhood. I had two older sisters that liked to aggravate me, and they nicknamed me Lily May. And it just aggravated the stew out of me, and you got to be careful about being aggravated about a nickname, because if you do, it'll stick. And it stuck for a long time. I've still got a brother-in-law that will call me Lily May occasionally. And so anyhow, when the boat was finished, that was a given that it was going to be Lily May.
You know, I'm finding that when the boat builders are building boats, everybody states that they don't have the skills to build a boat, but we're finding out that there's a lot of help out there. Did you have any help in building your boat?
Well, Horace spent 2 or 3 days with me to start with, just to show me how to lay the plans out, and Skip trying to figure that out on my own. After that, the know-how, I read as much as I could. Wooden Boat Magazine was a good source. Glen-L had some publications that were very helpful. And then I visited a boat show and found a wooden boat builder down in Mobile, Alabama. And he allowed me to come down and talk to him and see how he did things. And then publications, there was a publication, I forget the name of the publication, but it was written up in the Northeast that was very helpful about how to do the bottom with epoxy and graphite powder only. There's no paint on the bottom of this boat. It's just epoxy and graphite powder. The Mobile Wooden Boat Builder advised me to put what he called riser strips on the bottom of it to help channel the water, help it get on plane faster, and handle better in turns. And so I did that, and I think that was very helpful. As far as the construction, though, it was a family affair. My wife and 3 children, when it got time to put glass cloth and a whole lot of work at one time, it was a family affair. But other than that, on the mundane things, it was just me.
The cabin area down there is a sleeping area. I know you've been camping, so there's a few things laying around, but just go ahead and tell us, you know, what you can sleep down there and things.
Yeah, I've got running water. There's a sink down here. There's a head on one side. I've got a tabletop that I can put up with benches on either side in case I need to eat down here. The tabletop will lower and I can bring a bed all the way across. It's as big as any king-size bed that you would want to see. And I've got a shelf area from the deck, and then up under the bow is where my anchor and rope and everything is up under there.
My life is brilliant. My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man, but I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.